The direction is not important.
Direction.
Direction is not important.
Yes, good job.
Formula of simple past tense. Plus subject plus verb to plus object. Example, he spoke English yesterday. You worked the letter last year. Mean, subject plus didn't plus verb 1. Example, he didn't speak English yesterday. You didn't write the letter last year. For us, did plus subject plus verb 1. Example, did he speak English yesterday? Did you write the letter last year? Next, past continuous tense is used to an action happened in the middle of another action. Someone was doing set. At the curtain time, you don't know whether it was finished or not. Formula of past continuous tense. Plus subject plus words plus was or were plus verb 1 ing. Example, you were reading the book. She was cooking the rice. Mean, subject plus was or were plus not plus verb 1 ing. Example, you weren't reading the book. She wasn't cooking the rice. And for us, was or were plus subject plus verb 1 ing. Example, were you reading the book? Was she cooking rice? Next, past perfect tense. The past perfect is used in the part of the sentence that explain the condition. The if clause. Most often, the reason to write a verb in the past perfect tense is to show that it happened before other actions in the same sentence that are described by verbs in the simple past tense. Formula of past perfect tense. Plus subject plus had plus verb 3. Example, she had eaten it when I called her. You had studied physics before you moved to China. Mean, subject plus had plus not plus verb 3. Example, she had not eaten when I called her. You had not studied physics before you moved to China. And for us, had plus subject plus verb 3. Example, had she eaten it when I called her? Had you studied physics before you moved to China? And the next presentation is Jaya. Jaya.
Answer the
perfect.
question below based on your experience. Number one, have you been on vacation? Yes, I have been on vacation to Monash. Number two, are there any vacation destination in your city? No, there are not any vacation destination in my city. Number three, Is there any vacation destination that you want to visit? Yes, Ngarai Sianok is vacation destination that I want to visit. Dear Alan, 2 years ago, I visited Borobudur Temple. I went there with my parents and my little sister. We went to Borobudur Temple by car. I left my house at 9 o'clock. It took us 45 minutes to drive a car. I arrived there at a quarter to 10. Along the road, I saw many vehicles, houses, buildings, trees, and people. After we arrived at the Borobudur temple, my father went to park the car. My mother, my little sister, and I went to buy tickets. After we waited my father, we entered into Borobudur temple areas. Then we went up to the top of the temple. Borobudur Temple was built at Budur Village, Magelang, Jawa Tengah, by Dynasty Shailendra. Borobudur Temple is the biggest temple in the world. It has 4 stat and 1.400 relief. From the top of the temple, we can look at beautiful scenery. I play with my sister and bought drinks. Finally, we go back house. I felt tired, but I felt so happy can visited Borobudur temple with my
I'm so
family.
sorry, that's wrong. Bukan finally, salah. Bacanya finally.
Finally, we go back house. I felt tired, but I felt so happy. Can visited Borobudur temple with my family. I hope the temple was cared for by all of the visitors and the government. Question number 1. What is the text about? The text is about telling vacation to Borobudur. Number 2. How was the returns feeling after visiting Borobudur temple? The reader was feeling tired, but he was happy. Number 3. With whom did the reader visit Borobudur temple? The reader visited Borobudur with his family. Number 4. Where is the location of Borobudur temple? The location of Borobudur temple is in Budur village, Magelang, Central Java. Number 5. What did the reader do after buying ticket? The reader entered Borobudur's area. The the irregular verb infinitive be, put, begin, become. Simple past was or were, put, begin, become. Past participle been, put, begin, become. The next, the reading Jaya.
C. Exercise 1. Which answers are correct? You might choose one more than option. 1. Which sentence or question are in the simple past? E. He didn't learn for school. Number 2. Which verb forms are in the simple past? C. Played. 3. Which of the following words are used with the simple past? Signal what? E. Yesterday. Exercise 2. Number 1. Ahmad. Ma, what were you doing when I found your mother last night? Halimah. I blah 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 TV. B. am watching. Number 2. I was sleeping when my father blah 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 the announcement about me in the radio. B. heard. Number 3. Viral blah 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 to Paris last year with his parents. C. when. Number 4. D. Anwar was promoted president of your company last week. Wasn't he? Anton. I am glad he blah 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 in the company for years. She has been working. Number 5. Dina. Dina. We haven't heard from Didi for such a long time. Dini, we haven't was he blah blah in this company for years. D. D. Move it. Arrange this jumble word into a good sentence.
Move it.
Oh.
Tadi ada yang salah bacanya.
D. Move it. Number 1. Last vacation, I decided to go to my hometown in Sleman. True. Then we went to our homes. 3. My friends and I went to the Blue Lagoon. 4. I hope I can visit the Blue Lagoon again. Exercise 4. Last week, I went to Yogyakarta with my family. My father drove the car. My mother sat beside him. My sister and I sat in the back seat. We woke up early in the morning. My father repaired the car in the garage while mother was preparing food for breakfast and some snack for us. My sister and I picked some clothes. After everything got ready and we had breakfast, we left the house at 6 o'clock. It was about 9 time we arrived in Yogyakarta. First of all, we visited our uncle. We stayed there for an hour. Then we went to Parangtritis Beach. We got there at 11 o'clock. There were a lot of tourists because it was a holiday. I saw many foreign visitors too. My parents watched us playing with sand on the beach. We did not swim or take bath since the Once were rogue. After having lunch, we went on our picnic to the museum and Malioboro shopping center. We drove back to Semarang at 7 o'clock and arrived home at 10. We were tired but happy.
Okay, thanks for attention all and thank you.
The past tense used to describe things have a specific time. Yeah, the last ago, last year, last month, yesterday. Yeah, this is adverbnya. And simple past tense, adverbnya adalah yesterday. Ya, and the last week, last month. Nah itu. For example, formulanya apa? Subject. Verb kedua, object. Ya. I have spoke English yesterday. Daripada speak menjadi spoke. I have, bukan I am. I have spoke English yesterday. Kenapa menggunakan have? Karena adalah plural. Kalau singular menggunakan was. Ya. Nah, singular itu menggunakannya was. Diingat ya, I, you, they, we, maka harus menggunakan were. Tapi, plural itu jamak. Kalau singular itu tunggal. Maka he, she, it menggunakan was. Ya. I, you, they, we, maka kita gunakan were. Ya. And he, she, it, maka kita gunakan was. Itu kalau to be-nya. Nah, untuk negatif dan interrogatifnya kita gunakan did. Bukan do atau does. You noted. Kalian harus catat. For example. Tadi, for example, ada di slide yang ketiga. This is, he spoke ya, English yesterday. Saya bicara bahasa Inggris kemarin. Maka negatifnya he didn't. Kembali lagi ke speak. Karena sudah ada didn't. Bukan spoke lagi. Karena sudah memakai did not. Begitu juga dengan interrogatifnya. Did-nya harus kita pindahkan ke depan. Did he speak English yesterday? Nah, the past continuous tense rumusnya itu kita gunakan was atau were. Ya. Verbnya verb ing. Diingat ya, verbnya verb ing. Kenapa verb ing? Karena continuous. Past continuous tense. Maka kita gunakan ing. Nah, Bukan verb yang kedua lagi, tapi verbnya ing. You were reading the book. Kamu membaca buku. Nah, ini jatuhnya were. Kenapa? Tadi saya bilang I, you, they, we itu kita gunakan were. Kalau he, she, it kita gunakan was, ya. Misalkan she was reading the book. Nah, itu menggunakan was dan read-nya tidak hanya read saja tapi ing, reading, gitu kan? Oke. Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense itu subjek ditambah to be-nya had. Ditambah kata kerjanya ketiga. She had eaten. Dari kalimat eat, kata kerja pertama menjadi kata kerja ketiga, eaten. She had eaten it when I called it her. You had studied physics before you moved to China. Move. Jadi di sini coba kita lihat past perfect tense. Itu rumusnya subjek had ditambah verb ketiga. Ya, dari eat menjadi eaten. Dari speak menjadi spoken, ya. Oh, nggak salah. Nah, past perfect continuous, maka ada continuous itu kita verbnya verb ing lagi. Tapi tetap to be-nya menggunakan has ditambah been. Jadi has been. Ya, jadi they had, ya, they had been. Menjadi verbnya ing. Misalkan play, berarti playing. Dari they had been playing football. He had been studying guitar. Ya, they had been clubbing, ya, they had been clubbing in the Hard Rock Cafe misalkan. Anda clubbing di Hard Rock Cafe gitu kan. Nah, itu they had been playing basketball. Nah, itu ya. Jadi continuous tense itu tetap kembali lagi ke kata kerja pertama. Cuma diberi ing. Tapi tetap to be-nya menggunakan had. Cuma kalau perfect continuous tense itu ditambah been. Itu aja. Oke. Saya ulang ya. Dari past tense, past continuous tense, ya, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Nah, ini adalah sebuah masa lampau. Nah, oke. Maybe question sampai sini saya pelan-pelan ngajarin. Nih ya, saya ulang. Past tense itu rumusnya subjek plus verb one plus object. Itu past tense. Ya. And past continuous itu subjek plus verb plus apa tadi? To be-nya. Were or was tambah verb-nya bukan verb yang pertama tapi verb kedua, sorry. Tetap verb-nya pertama. Kalau continuous ditambah ing. Baru objek. Coba Mem ulangi ya. past tense itu formulanya adalah subject, verb to plus object. I eaten bakso misalkan. Berarti kan saya makan bakso. Itu menjadi eat, menjadi eaten. Ya. Misalkan apa? Yesterday. Ya, berarti kata keterangan waktunya. Keterangan waktunya adalah yesterday. Jadi I eaten ya noodles yesterday. Saya makan mie kemarin gitu. Nah, itu past tense. Nah, bagaimana past continuous tense? Berarti I was ya menggunakan was. I was eating ya noodles. Nah, berarti di sini continuous. Kenapa menjadi eating bukan eaten lagi? Karena continuous. Kata kerjanya pertama tapi ing. Bukan eaten ing gitu. Enggak, jadi eating. Ya. Nah, itu kita gunakan to be. Continuous itu to be-nya were or was. Ya. Kemudian next past perfect. Past perfect berarti formulanya ingat subjek plus verb ketiga. Ya, plus objek. Nah, di sini past perfect maka kita gunakan had to be-nya. Ya. Subjek to be-nya had. Jadi di sini ada to be had. Jadi subjeknya misalkan I had spoken in English ya yesterday. Berarti apa? Saya bicara bahasa Inggris kemarin. I had spoken English yesterday. Menggunakan had. Jangan lupa, don't forget. Ya, tapi verbnya ketiga, bukan kedua. Karena perfect tense. Oke. Bagaimana yang selanjutnya? Past perfect continuous. Nah, past perfect continuous. Ya, continuous. Continuous itu apa? Biasa pakai ing, cuma rumusnya adalah subjek, kemudian menggunakan apa? Was atau were. Ya, baru menggunakan verbnya, ada been, bukan was atau were. Been, salah tadi ya. Menggunakan had tetap karena perfect. Kalau past continuous menggunakan was atau were. Nah, kalau perfect menggunakan had cuma ditambah been. Had been. Double A. Had been. Baru tambah verbnya ing. Contoh, for example, I had been playing basketball last week misalkan. Saya bermain basketball minggu lalu. Gitu. Bisa ya? Sampai sini ada pertanyaan? Maybe question? Nah, di answer and question-nya itu udah